Scenic views of downtown Ann Arbor are predominant here in this 94-unit, 9-story building. This is a mix of residential living with shops and services, making it an ideal urban living choice. Ashley Terrace condos are 1 block from the YMCA and are less than 1 mile to Central Campus. 1, 2, or 3 bedroom units feature hardwood floors, maple cabinetry, elegant ceramic tile, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, track lighting, and 9-foot ceilings. Units range in baths from 1 to 2.5. There are many floor plans available, including some penthouses. Association fees include gas, water, sewer, trash, indoor parking, and secure storage. If meeting friends at local eateries or walking to the stadium for University of Michigan football games is your game plan, then this may be the lifestyle choice for you. Call your Ann Arbor real estate experts for more information.